In this video, I'll show you how to change your Microsoft Outlook background color. So as you can see, currently my Microsoft background color is white. To change this background color or theme, go to File and click on Options. Under Options, select General, and here you will find this Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office section. Here we can see Office backgrounds and Office theme. To change background basically this icon. As you can see, currently these stars background selected for my Microsoft Outlook. To change this background, just click here, and now you will be able to select a different background. Just click on OK, and your background will be changed. And to change your theme, all you have to need here, just click on this drop down next to Office theme, and here you can select white, black, dark gray. So I'm selecting here dark gray, clicking on OK, and as you can see, my Microsoft theme successfully changed. And now to change your background for a specific new email, all you have to need, go to new email, and once you're here, just click on Options, and here click on Page Color. If this page color is not working, then make sure to click on the message body and then click on Page Color. And now from here you will be select a different color for the specific new email. So this is how we can change background in Outlook. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.